everyone, Serena here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. So today I have a special project that I would like to announce. I have started a self-love challenge that is going to be all month long in June. So if you're interested in this challenge, please keep watching. So I created the My Self-Love Letters challenge. The goal is to write yourself a love letter every single day for the next 30 days in June. So there may be some negative or some tricky topics on the prompt list, but the goal is to write only positive things. The idea is that at the end of the month, you'll have a journal filled of love letters that you wrote to yourself for those times when you're feeling a little low and you need some motivation, you need some inspiration, and you need some confidence, or you just need to be reminded of how badass you really are. Or for those days you're feeling yourself, you know you're badass, you're doing good and you feel good, and you just want a reminder of your badass self, you can go to your love letter journal. I have a super simple, easy tutorial on my channel how to create journals for yourself. I actually created my own self-love journal with that tutorial, and I'll link it in this video somewhere up there and as well as in the description box below. And I also have a self-love box emergency kit video as well. You can add your love letter journal into your self-care box. When you feel like you need a little bit extra love, you can go to your box and the journal will be in there, or you can store it anywhere you'd like. So how can you participate? How do you share? How do you join? So this is a challenge. The idea is to share your love letters with one another. I know that this can be a little bit daunting, especially if you're new to the whole concept of writing letters to yourself. So you might not want to share exactly your photos or your letters on Instagram. That's okay. If you do decide to share on Instagram, if you're willing to be open with your followers and with all of us, just use the hashtag #MySelfLoveLetters, and that way we can all inspire and motivate each other and see what we all write about ourselves. And there's a private special Facebook group just for this. I'll have the link for my Facebook group down below. It's going to be there. There's going to be photos throughout the week of the different prompts that we're going to focus on. Each week there's going to be an overall theme that we're going to be focusing on. It's going to be a community of women who are willing and ready to speak their truth and share their love letters with one another. And this way we'll help each other stay accountable and motivate and inspire one another. And also, you don't have to share your letters. You can keep them privately to yourself, but please, I urge you that you continue with the challenge every day. I know it might get a little tough, so I have some writing tips and stuff on my Facebook group if you're interested, but just keep at it, just keep doing it. It's gonna be so worthwhile at the end. Trust me. So even if you don't share your letters, please do still join the Facebook group. And if you do muster the courage to share a letter or two, you can share it privately there. Only those people who are joining the challenge will be able to read it. And it's gonna be a safe space for us to speak and share and just be there and support one another. I can't wait to see you in the Facebook group. I can't wait to see how creative you are with the prompts and how you write your love letters and what you write about. I just want to learn more about you guys, and if this is something you are interested in, please do not hesitate to ask me if you have any questions. I'm super proud of this challenge, and I really hope you can join us all month long in June. Self-love is super important, self-care is super important, and this is my first step in hopefully more self-love work with you all. Alright everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!